Hello everyone. I wanted to take just a moment and welcome you to the ChurchBooks 3 channel. If you're looking for church software, you're in the right place. But before you begin your review, let me say this. Finding the right church software can be much like a wilderness experience. It can take a few days, or your search may seem like it's taking forever. ChurchBooks 3 has three main strengths, proven itself over the last 12 years. One, simplicity. ChurchBooks 3 is simple enough that it requires little or no accounting experience. Simplicity is the reason why ChurchBooks 3 has been around among hundreds of its competitors. Two, consistency. If you've ever had to pass down and teach a name brand or out-of-the-box church software to a volunteer or to someone with little or no computer experience, you know what I'm talking about. The quality of your record keeping can be less than desired. Being able to pass down records from one year to the next, from one administrator to another, can prove to be priceless. Reporting. Your church reports and presentations can really cause you to shine. Year-end reports are nearly effortless, while your church ledger and accounting is all done in just one click. ChurchBooks 3 is not right for every church. I'm not saying that. If you need your information stored on the internet with multiple simultaneous users being logged in all at the same time, ChurchBooks 3 is not the right program for you. If you use a Mac computer or an Android, such as a Chromebook, ChurchBooks 3 is not right for you. It's incompatible. But if you're looking for a simple solution to church accounting, then take the time to review the tutorials. These tutorials are more direct than others, but the simplicity is not to be overlooked. And I'm right here to ensure that ChurchBooks 3 experience will be one you will not regret. Thank you for taking the time to review our channel. Thank you.